Once again, while the Congress party workers are protesting, in fact the MLAs are also protesting in Bengaluru, Congress's ally NCP is paying tributes to Savarkar. Look at these pictures on the extreme left, pictures of the Congress protest in Bengaluru. Then you have Ajit Pawar paying tributes to Savarkar. Will Rahul Gandhi clarify? Can this go on? Is Congress compromising on Savarkar because of the Satta in Maharashtra? Deepak Bopanna joins us. Yes, Deepak, how do you see this?
Well, the BJP yesterday did go on to say that the Congress have been hypocrites when it comes to, attacking them with regard to naming of a flyover after Savarkar. They did, of course, mention about how, they've been naming roads after Tipu Sultan. They've been naming, canteens after Indira Gandhi. And now here, of course, with one of their partners themselves, here paying tributes. It just goes on to show that there's somewhere lack of clarity between leaders and partners themselves when it comes to the issue of Savarkar here.
And the BJP is already taking pot shots at the Congress party. They want to know from the Gandhis what is their position on this. Can this go on as usual? Mumbai Bureau Chief Kajal Iyer also with us. Yes, Kajal.
From today, Ajit Pawar has started attending the Mantralaya, and one of the first things that he did after reaching there today was to garland Veer Savarkar's statue kept there because it is the Jayanti of Veer Savarkar. Now, both the Shiv Sena and the NCP have said that they see Savarkar as a Maharashtrian hero, but the Congress has not had the same views. In fact, the Congress has been vehement in their criticism of Veer Savarkar. And given the fact that Rahul Gandhi has time and again made statements that are critical of Veer Savarkar, it has actually been a sticking point. Last time around when this entire issue had happened, the assembly session was on and the BJP had tried to corner the MVA alliance on this issue, but they had somehow managed to wriggle out of that at that point of time. But given the fact that Rahul Gandhi just very recently made statements that he was not that his party was not the key decision maker, one way to see if they can weather this new storm that will be created by this picture.
When he was asked about the power equation in Maharashtra, I remember Rahul Gandhi had said that we are not the key decision maker. In this case, Rahul Gandhi and his Congress party can be the key decision makers. If they want to take a stand on Savarkar, they should snap ties, says the BJP. Deepak.
Yes, lack of clarity, of course, is looming large over the issue of Savarkar, while the Congress on one hand has vehemently opposed, celebrating Savarkar. It seems like their own partners don't seem to think alike. Therefore, once again begs the question, how are these coalitions really functioning in an effective manner where their ideologies don't match, the way of thinking don't match, while one person pays respects, the other person says that such a person should not be celebrated. So, of course, several questions do arise, and the same, pertinent questions are being raised by the BJP.
Questions will have to be answered by the Congress. Just stay with us. Shehzad Poonawala, political commentator, joins us. Shehzad, good afternoon. How do you see this? The Congress MLAs and workers are protesting over Savarkar in Bengaluru. Ajit Pawar, Congress's ally in Maharashtra, part of the Agadi, paying tribute to Savarkar in Mumbai.
Well, it's a Mahavicitra Aghadi, and the problem is that just for the sake of power, for the lust of power, Uddhav Thackeray has given up on Savarkar and Hindutva. This was the same Uddhav Thackeray who said that those who insult Savarkar will be beaten up with shoes. Today, Rahul Gandhi and his party and his henchmen constantly abuse Savarkar. In fact, even Indira Gandhi had celebrated Savarkar. So, in a sense, Congress has not only contradicted its own stand in Maharashtra earlier on, but even Indira Gandhi's stand. And today, these are the people who love Tipu Sultan, who can name things after Indira. Indira canteen can be named. But Savarkar or any other non-Gandhi Nehru family historical icon can't be given space. I think it's time for Uddhav Thackeray now to tell us whether he stands with Congress and Rahul Gandhi's view on Savarkar, or whether he stands with his father's view on Savarkar and NCP's view on Savarkar.
The BJP has upped its ante, Shehzad, and they believe that Rahul Gandhi should just walk out of the alliance if he has a problem on Savarkar.
No, in fact, it is Uddhav Thackeray who's being put on test. Rahul Gandhi is constantly humiliating Uddhav Thackeray. Please understand, he said Savarkar is a Kair and Uddhav Thackeray said Savarkar is a hero. He said that I have nothing to do with this Maharashtra government. It is doing its own bidding in Maharashtra and failing in Corona. Uddhav Thackeray could not do anything. They kept contradicting Uddhav Thackeray on Ram Mandir. Uddhav Thackeray could not do anything. Uddhav Thackeray has been reduced to the Manmohan Singh of Maharashtra by Rahul Gandhi, who once tore off the ordinance as well. Uddhav Thackeray today needs to decide if he has the blood of Balasaheb Thackeray in him. He should stand up for Hindutva and Savarkar and not bow down to the Italian mafia that runs the Congress.
Okay, that's very strong words by Shehzad. Another take on this. Thank you for speaking to us, Shehzad. Kajal, Deepak, you heard that. Very, very strong reactions, but the Congress is silent. Raja Gopalan, Mr. Raja Gopalan, senior journalist, also joining us. Mr. Raja Gopalan, good afternoon, sir. How do you see this?
Mr. Ajit Pawar is garlanding Savarkar picture, though he is a Maharashtrian. They hate the Maharashtrian. None of them, including Sharad Pawar, nor Uddhav Thackeray, nor Sanjay Raut, speak against Savarkar. But in Bengaluru, things are topsy-turvy because they do Tipu Sultan Jayanti. How can they compensate, saying that, son of the soil is not Mr. Savarkar, we will not name him. So these are all diabolical attitudes. Congress should understand what they speak. They cannot go against Maharashtra because Maharashtra is not only funding All India Congress Committee every month through the government, and also the Congress should answer now what they fought against Mr. Savarkar will recoil on them at the later stage. You take it from me, Savarkar issue is going to boomerang on Awal Punk government in Maharashtra and create a controversy. Congress should make its stand very clear. Rahul Gandhi should come out clear whether he is totally opposed to him or support Shiv Sena.
That's the question we are asking. Is this a compromise for Satta, Mr. Raj Gopalan?
It is a compromise, definitely compromise, because I tell you, Mr. Roy, Congress is getting a sizable amount as a subscription from Maharashtra government to run the party in Delhi. So how can they forego the subscription? Now Rajasthan gives subscription, Punjab gives subscription, Puducherry gives subscription. Therefore, you are depending on Chanda. Congress has reduced now to a Chanda party from the leaders.
Okay, Mr. Raj Gopalan, thank you for putting that in perspective. Kajal, are we hearing anything from the Congress party on this in Mumbai?
We haven't yet heard from them. We're waiting to see if they react on this issue. The pictures were released by the NCP only recently, so we'll still wait for them to react in a bit. But last time around, when this controversy had come up, the Congress had said that they will try to speak to their allies about Rahul Gandhi's comments and try to try to change their mind. The Shiv Sena on their part had also said the same, that they will try to speak to the Congress about this entire issue. But it is a sore point between the allies, and it doesn't seem like it is going away anytime soon.
Let me get a view from Tehseen Poonawala, political analyst. Tehseen, good afternoon. How do you see this? Because I frankly can't understand. The Congress workers and MLAs are protesting over Savarkar in Bengaluru. Congress's ally, NCP, is garlanding Savarkar in Mumbai.
But what is there to understand? I mean, Savarkar was from Maharashtra, so some Maharashtrian parties will garland it. In Karnataka, you have no connection, so they're protesting the flyover.
But Rahul Gandhi doesn't believe that Savarkar was a nationalist, that he was a patriot. In fact, the Congress leaders have been calling him names, all sorts of names.
Rahul Gandhi is accurate on that count.
Okay, Tehseen not taking a position there. Thank you, Tehseen, for speaking to us. Kajal, Deepak, thanks for your inputs. With that, a quick break. In fact, more